Now, also we did touch on this toxic overload, toxic stress. You know, a lot of the metals, chemicals, and pesticides that are getting into the body, into the cells of the body, are neurotoxic. In other words, they will damage the nervous system. So we've spoken about, you know, lifestyle locking in the nervous system into this overactive state. But we've got another challenge here, that toxic load, some of the metals, chemicals, and the pesticides, will physically damage the nerves and disrupt the function of the nervous system. So that's also contributing to this, you know, nervous system disruption. So the far infrared, of course, now this is again one aspect of the far infrared that is very important, that is detoxification is crucial. We need to start cleaning the cells of the body and clearing out the toxins that are damaging the nerves and disrupting the nervous system. So of course, what we're seeing here is, number one, we need to reset the nervous system with the far infrared, but we also need to clear the toxic load, to clear the toxins that are physically damaging the nerves themselves and disrupting the function of the nervous system. Okay, so detox in respect of eliminating chemicals that are damaging the nervous system. That's really important, and disrupting the nervous system. And when we clear the toxins, of course, we can then begin to restore function and actually start repairing the nerve damage that may result from the toxic overload. Now, you know, a lot of people are experiencing neuropathy. They've got numbness, tingling, pain, you know, all kinds of things going on throughout the body as a result of the toxins damaging the nerves. It's really common. The other thing that toxins will do that, again, we haven't mentioned with regards to the nervous system, for example, in the case of diabetics, high blood sugar is what is damaging the blood vessels, and in particular damaging the blood vessels serving the nerves. So if the blood vessels to the nerves are damaged, that means the nerves will not function properly. And more to the point, you may well get degeneration of the nerves. So the toxic load damages actually not just the nerves, but it damages the blood vessels supplying the nerves. So if the blood supply to the nerves is damaged, you're going to get neurodegenerative conditions kicking in. So for me, this is one important aspect of neurodegenerative disease, that the toxic load is damaging to the blood vessels serving the nerves, which means, of course, if the nerves are not getting blood supply and they're not getting oxygen and they're not getting the relevant nutrients, then of course they're not going to function, and more to the point, they will begin to degenerate. So, you know, there's a lot of implications for toxic load, not just damaging nerves, but damaging blood supply to the nerves. Put that all together, you get disruption of the function of the nerves and the nervous system.